Hi, I'm Allison Wallace. I am a florist at Krohn Conservatory, and I'm going to be telling you about how to create your own monochromatic garden at home. One thing to make your plants pop is to plant something dark next to something maybe brighter or light. So right here we have this dark rich ipomea outlining our cabbage. Also up here we have that dark rich black pearl pepper planted with this brighter vinca and this ageratum, and it's, you know, it has this like lighter purple bloom that just gets brought out so much more by the darker foliage. Okay, so texture is another thing you want to keep in mind when you're planting a monochromatic garden. So in this bed we have lots of different textures. So right here we have this lacy leaf kale with more of a broader leaf alternanthera, and you can really see the difference in leaf shape and texture. And then below the kale here we have all of this more fine textured stuff, like we have alyssum and kufia and bacopa with smaller blooms, smaller leaves, so that gives it a finer texture next to these two other plants. So you can also use complementing colors in a monochromatic garden. So right here you have vinca, jams and jellies, with that dark purple bloom, and that's complemented by this ipomea here, which it kind of has that similar color. Even the purple heart there, it all kind of blends together, but one is a foliage and one is a blooming plant, so they really do complement and work together. And planting in masses can also make a big impact. You can see how by planting in swales and big large groups, it really allows the plants to show up, rather than if you would have these small little pockets of plants, it might all just kind of blend together. So it makes it a lot more striking when you have lots of plants, you know, grouped together in these big masses. Okay, so those are just some basic principles of planting up a monochromatic garden, but you don't really have to stick to that strictly. It's more about being creative and having fun and doing it on your own, and, you know, really just having fun. But if you would like to see an in-person example, come to Krohn Conservatory and come see our fall show, Plum Gorgeous.